everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my journals and planners for 2022. I'll be doing a mix of digital and paper planners for this year, and pretty much as per always. So if you want to find out my lineup for this year, just keep on watching. And yeah, with all that said, let's head on to the video.
So for this year, I'll be using 3 journals and 3 planners. I know that sounds quite a lot, but everything has a purpose, I promise. I created this video to help you guys choose a planner or journals or even decide on how to use them. So to start everything off, let's first go into my journals for 2022. First is my main journal, which is a digital journal that you always see me set up every month. I actually just posted a video with this, so if you haven't watched it, it will be linked in the cards above. So with this being my main journal, I'll be pretty much writing everything in here, like my life, my journey, plans for my shop, my channel, and a place to track my favorites, and all those kinds of stuff will all be in this journal. So pretty much everything that will be happening this year will be collected in this journal. So even if I have 5 or more planners and journals, everything will still end up in here. Something new that I decided to do is to actually add photos and talk more of how I felt on my dailies, and not just words of what had happened that day, like walk my dog at 6 or taking a shower after this, things like that, because that will be very boring to read 5 years from now. So yeah, I just want to make it more personal, especially now that I have 6 journals and planners with me. But yeah, anyways, that's just a little insight of what has changed. I'll still be using this journal for my monthly setup for this year as per always. So expect monthly videos for this journal. Now moving on to my second journal, which is a paper journal, and that's my traveler's notebook. So as much as I enjoy writing on my iPad, I also grew up compiling photos, cutting craft papers, and collecting stickers, which is why I have to have this journal. For this journal, I will be collecting all my travels, adventures, special moments that will be happening this year that I want a physical copy of. This is where I stick receipts, tickets, pendants, and what other doodads that gave so much sentimental value. I don't want it to get lost in a box full of other memorabilias. I actually did a few videos months back with this journal, but decided to stop when I got busy with my day job. But for this year, I promise to be more consistent with this and also share my travels with you guys as well. So if you haven't already, make sure to get vaccinated, get your booster shot so that we can all have a happy adventures for 2022. Now for my very last journal, and it's actually a new one for me. This is the 1% planner from Justoneclub, and even if it says planner on the cover, I'm still considering it as a journal for the full purpose of how I tend to use it. The 1% planner encourages you to be 1% better every day, and with that 1% a day, you'll become 37% times better in a year. When I first heard about this planner, I fell in love with its full purpose right away. I really like the goal that they wanted to put out, and it definitely takes off the pressure of always needing to be your 100% at the start of every year. Also, this is a quarterly planner, so you can definitely try it first before deciding whether or not it has been helpful for you at the first quarter of the year. This planner will act as my devotional journal, which seems fitting with the daily spreads that comes with it. I'll be devoting a time during the day and also at night to reflect my daily learnings, struggles, and happy thoughts of that day. I also enjoy the little quotes and tasks that they have added on the spreads. So overall, I'm really happy of this planner. Actually, the only flaw that I see with this journal is the paper. It shows a low GSM, as you can see in the pages. You can literally see the print of the other page, and for sure won't be able to use a gel pen for this one. So yeah, that is just something you have to consider, because right now I'm only using a basic pilot for this, and I could already see it in the back. But yeah, if that doesn't bother you at all, then I still recommend this planner or journal for you guys to try out. I really believe that this journal will be very helpful this year. Plus, they're currently having an ongoing sale, so just click onto the link below and enjoy lots of discounts and freebies just like this ones. Make sure to check out Justoneclub in the description box below, along with all their other socials, and enjoy their ongoing sale for amazing discounts and freebies. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up all the journals that I'll be using for this year. So now let's dive into my planners for 2022. The first one, and is my only paper planner, which is my Starbucks planner. I got this by completing 18 stickers by buying 18 Starbucks drinks. And to be honest, it's not really worth it. The only thing I love about this planner is this pocket cover, or whatever you might call this. I like the pattern, the gold details, and that's it. It doesn't even have a pocket to insert the journal in it. So yeah, it's definitely a huge letdown from last year. So if you're still collecting stickers, just go for the cup. It's much more worth it. Anyways, this is pretty much the planner. It's very tiny, which is something I was looking for, honestly, but the spaces and the vision in this is just so sad to look at. So yeah, anyways, I'll be pretty much using it as a daily planner, writing whatever events that could possibly fit in here and all. Correction, I decided to not use it as what it was intended for anymore, but instead I'll be using it as my Wreck-It journal for this year. I used to have one back in 2018, which I had so much fun making. It will help me practice on creating wonderful pages or spreads. So if you want to see those setups, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, I need a new planner to take with me outside, because I am most definitely not be bringing my iPad with me every day. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Now moving along to my second planner, which is my pink Petiole planner. Again, already filmed a flip through for this and my third planner. So if you want to check out a more in-depth flip through, just click on the cards at the upper right after you watch this video. This planner will stand as my creative planner. I'll be planning my post dates, film schedules, and all those kind of gist in here. I'll also be using this weekly spread / daily spread as a creative space to draw, sketch, or whatever that has happened that day. And you'll be seeing that setup more on my Instagram account. So if you haven't already, please follow me at UnaLouisa.Creates, and also follow at Pink Petiole, because she definitely inspired me with those kind of idea. And that's pretty much it for my creative planner for this year. Again, this is the 2022 Pink Petiole planner. All the links for this will be in the description box below if you want to check them out and use them for 2022. And of course, to finish off this whole video, another star, which is my Digi Sparkles planner. You already know how much I love this planner, so I don't have to say that much. This planner will stand as my everyday planner, as it always has been. I'll be using the monthly spreads again for my monthly recap videos of what has happened that month, and share with you guys some photos, stories, or whatnot. In those videos, I also give out free sticker sheets, either created by me or from other content creators. So stay tuned for those kind of videos if you're interested to get your hands on some of my monthly freebies. I'll also be using this planner to track everything with the whole lot of add-ons that came with this planner. So I'm definitely excited to use this. So yeah, go check them out. I'll be linking everything in the description box below as per everything that I've mentioned in this video. But yeah, that's pretty much completes my journal and planner lineup for 2022. I hope you all got inspired on how to use your planners or journals. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let's chat again next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, stay safe, stay creative, stay you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Happy planning, my friends.